Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 6S, and today I'll show you how to set up and also use the screen recording option. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the screen recorder toggle, which is right over here. And before you start recording, you will want to hold this. This will take us to the settings where you can change some settings. So number one, starting off, we have the sound. Record system sound and record microphone sound. Now you can choose either one or the other or both of them, which is a nice touch here. Which will basically, if you choose the system sound, it will record any sound that your device makes in terms of like notification sounds, music, whatever it's playing on it. Then you have microphone sound, which will record, well, you talking, or for instance, me talking. Then you have video resolution. By default, it looks like it's set to medium. I would go to high. This will improve the clarity of the visual, and it will just look way better. Display orientation, follow system. I would keep it as it is in this case here. That's good enough. Front camera. This allows you to enable the selfie camera to record yourself on top of it. It will create a small circle where your face will be visible. I'm going to enable it just so you can see how it looks like. And then record screen taps. So whenever you press something on the screen, it will be visible on the recording with that like yellow, or not yellow, but whitish dot on the screen that will follow my finger whenever it's touching the screen. I'm going to keep it just so you can see it as well, how it looks like. Now I'm going to keep the sounds disabled so it doesn't add any sound to it. And from there, once everything is set, you can simply leave it and go back to the notification panel, tap on a toggle, allow if it asks for anything. And you will see the panel right here. Now, if you're launching it for the first time, it gives you a guide on how to use it. It's kind of self-explanatory. Red is record. The second icon is just a gear icon. It's the settings. And then X, obviously closing. So I'm not really sure what gives us guide on the most banal options here. But let's tap on the record, and you can see there I am. So I can also move this around if I want to. And as you also seen, wherever I touch, there is this whitish dot following my finger. So whatever you record will be now recorded, or well, whatever you do will be recorded. And once you finished, tap on this to make it visible and tap on the square. Now, this area right here, the toggles were not being recorded, so it won't show on the video. And once you finish recording, the footage can be found in your photo gallery. So let's open that up, go to albums, and it's gonna be, I guess, in video. There we go. Now let's play it. And there we go. So yeah, as you can see, this is basically how you would record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.